Welcome, guys. In Python Daily Challenge Solution, we're going to see question number 25. In this question, we have to write a Python code in order to swap the first and the last element in a given list. So before swapping, you could see the element of the list, and after swapping, you could see the first element and the last element has been interchanged. So the method which I've used here is extract the first and the last element in a list by the index values and interchange their positions. So let me write a Python code for this question. So guys, have written the code. So here I have used a list, and the name of the list is my list, and it consists of elements such as 88, 12, 68, 72, and 11. So the index position of these elements are as follows. The first element has index position 0, and the second element has index position 1, and the third element has index position 2, and the fourth element has index position 3, and the fifth element has index position 4. Index position always starts from the value 0. So next, the next line of code, I have written the print statement in order to print the list before swapping. And in the third line, I have written my list of 0. I have extracted the first element by using this index value, and I have extracted the last element of index position 4 by using its index value, and have done and swapping by interchanging their positions, index positions. So here what I have done is, in this case, the index position element in the index position for 4, that is the element 11, is been interchanged to the index position 0. That means 11 has been interchanged to the index position 0, and the element in the index position 0, 88, has been interchanged to the index position element 4. So 0 has been interchanged to the index position 4. So 88 has been interchanged to the index position 4. So I'm going to print the list after swapping as my list. So the elements in the list after swapping will be printed. So let me run this code. So here you could see the list before swapping is 88, 12, 68, and 72, and 11. And the list after swapping is 11, 12, 68, 72, and 88. So the first and the last elements have been swapped in a list. This is a simple Python code in order to swap the first and the last element in a list. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to CodeChef BIT chapter. Thank you.